Welcome to English Storycraft. Learning a new language is a journey, and every journey needs a good story. Here, we share simple, beautiful stories designed for English learners. Our goal is to help you improve your listening and reading in a calm, peaceful way. Sit back, listen, and let the stories begin.
My talking cat. Anna has a cat. The cat's name is Max. Max is small, white, and very cute. Anna loves Max very much. One morning, Anna wakes up. She looks at Max. "Good morning, Max," she says. "Good morning, Anna," Max says. Anna sits up quickly. "Wait, what?" she says. Max looks at her. "I said good morning," Max says. Anna is very surprised. "You can talk?" she asks. "Yes," Max says, "but only you can hear me." Anna laughs. "This is crazy," she says. Max smiles. "Maybe, but it is true." At breakfast, Anna eats bread. Max sits next to her. "You eat too fast," Max says. Anna stops. "What?" "Eat slowly," Max says. "It is better." At school, Anna thinks about Max. Is it a dream? She thinks. After school, she runs home. "Max," she calls. "I'm here," Max says. Anna smiles. "Tell me a story," she says. Max sits down. "Okay," he says. "Listen carefully." Max tells funny and strange stories. Anna laughs and listens. She feels happy. Every day, Max talks to Anna. He gives her advice and tells stories. One day, Anna says, "You are not just a cat. You are my best friend." Max smiles. "I know," he says.